Now we're keeping all eyes just to the north of us where we're seeing most of the storm still hanging on. So that's right through Central California, Northern California, even a little further north. So Fresno, you're getting a line of storms right through Central California, slowly slipping down into Santa Barbara. Here's what it looks like for the Southland, though. We are going to see some showers already lining up right against the foothill communities, and we have a little bit of snowfall as well for the San Bernardino Mountains. As we continue on today, let's take a look at where the rain's at. At this point, we're seeing some right through Rancho Palos Verdes up to Torrance, just south of Westminster into Long Beach area and Seal Beach. And if you are going to be heading a little bit further north, Santa Paula, Thousand Oaks, Oxnard, Glendale, and Arcadia, along with Pasadena, where we're seeing some showers starting to develop there. That's all pushing up against the foothill communities. We are expecting to see a lot more rain to come today. So as we break it down for Los Angeles and Orange County, it's going to be about a 95% chance of some showers early this morning. This is the light stuff. The heavier rain, though, doesn't arrive till the afternoon. There's a 100% chance of that happening. And then at 5 p.m., we're looking at a 55% chance of rain. As that storm system quickly moves and exits out of the way, by tomorrow morning, we're back to clearer skies. For areas in the Inland Empire and valley spots, 85% chance of showers turns to 100% in your afternoon, and then down to 70% chance by 5 p.m. We'll have a full forecast coming up in just a few minutes, guys. Over to you. Nice steady line of storms cruising on through the area. We against the foothill communities, we're getting that nice steady line for San Bernardino. And as we are looking out, you can really see right now where the snow is. All this pink up top. We're looking at some snowfall. Nice totals today, too. We expect to see a foot of snow for some of our San Bernardino mountain areas, and those snow elevations dropping down to 3,000 feet. We're also seeing rainfall right now into Rancho Palos Verdes, Long Beach, Westminster, down through Seal Beach and Huntington Beach, up into Compton, Torrance. You're getting some rain at this point. And then also a little further to the north into Santa Monica, Malibu, Thousand Oaks, Santa Paula. This isn't it just yet. If you are against the foothill communities through Pasadena, you had a nice little shower moments ago. Now I'm at Mount Wilson getting some of that rainfall. And then right through Arcadia as well. And then pushing over to the east, again, seeing those nice tops of the mountains. Rain, snow, and that's going to continue to come on down today. So our high-res forecast models, this is how it plays out. If you're wondering about timing, as we continue through this afternoon, the heavier downpours start to arrive about noon, 1, 2 o'clock in the afternoon, hang on through about 3 o'clock. Then we start to get more scattered shower activity. So not a whole lot of rain right after about 5 o'clock. It'll be more intermittent at that point. And then tonight, 10:30 rolls around, and we're talking about some light showers right into tomorrow morning. So we'll get this nice steady stream of rain going on for just a little while here. And then it's fast moving. And because it's so fast moving, on the back of this rain event, we are looking at a high wind warning. So this is going to go for the desert communities, Riverside, San Bernardino. We're looking at winds that could be in excess of 65 miles per hour. Those are those gusts. We're also looking at a winter storm warning for into the 50s. And then we're going to start to see a nice warm up continue on from Friday on into Saturday. It's going to be a slow progression to drier weather and warmer weather. So get ready to talk more about the winds that are expected to arrive here, especially tomorrow. Tonight into tomorrow is when we're going to see some of the strongest gusts roll on through. Guys, over to you. Well, good Sunday morning. We're waking up to showers throughout the Southland and even further north into Santa Barbara, parts of Bakersfield, and then even into San Luis Obispo. But for us here, closer to Los Angeles, we are looking at some downpours. So if you're wondering where the line of storms is at, the edge of it is continuing to move further and further east. So we're staying right through Santa Monica into Downey, stretching out through Yorba Linda, Chino as well, and then it's moving further to the east. So Moreno Valley, you're going to be hit next. Get ready for some downpours there. We are looking to the north as well, where we're seeing for Long Beach into Torrance, Rancho Palos Verdes, now covered with some rainfall. So good totals coming through. We're expecting that as far as your afternoon's concerned. And then we're looking into more parks, Santa Paula. Also rain. This is actually the lighter stuff that's coming on through. The heavier rainfall is expected to come around this afternoon. So some of that is going to include thunderstorms. We're also looking at a chance for some flooding. This is a lot of rain in a short amount of time, so there is a concern for that. 95% chance of showers this morning. But as we're heading into your afternoon, it's 100% chance of some rainfall, so get ready for that. And then a 55% chance by your evening. So things do start to slow down as we're heading into the 5 o'clock hour. We'll still have some scattered showers right through about 10 p.m. tonight. And then tomorrow morning, a chance for some light showers. But by the time we head away from tomorrow morning, we're back to some clearer conditions. 53 degrees degrees in our valley and inland spots. We're looking at 56 at noon and then 55 degrees at 5 p.m. We're going to keep you informed all morning long on the storm system that's making its way in. We have some gusty winds right behind it as well. Guys, over to you. Pretty dry for most of January, and now we're ending it with another El Nino storm. If you are going to be looking out to Wrightwood, look at the snow. It's blowing out there. You can see it moving. Fantastic. This is Wrightwood at 38 degrees right now. And again, these winds that we're talking about are going to continue to blow on in here and getting only stronger as we're heading into your afternoon. Our satellite radar, there's where the brunt of the storm is, stretching from San Francisco down through central California and now moving into Los Angeles as well. So we're getting some widespread rainfall, but the heavier stuff, all that yellow and orange that's into Santa Barbara right now, that has yet to arrive into in the Southland. So really, we are looking at Los Angeles right now getting a nice downpour. You could see the edge of the storm. We're looking at it through Palm Springs, and it's moving swiftly even further out to the east. Looks good, though, if you are going to be along the coastline. We're getting plenty of rain there, plenty of rain into Santa Monica. Also looking into Thousand Oaks, it's raining there. Glendale, you're under some cloudy skies and rainfall, and it looks like it's stretching all the way into the Inland Empire as well. Right up against Big Bear, you're 4,000 feet. So plenty of snow is expected, even about a foot of new snowfall for Big Bear. As we're looking at our future forecast models, this is what it looks like about right now. We're getting some light greens. When we see the yellows, oranges, and reds, that's the heavy rainfall. So that doesn't arrive till later this morning into your early afternoon, and then it starts to move its way through San Bernardino, further out to the east. And then by the time we hit about 5, 6 o'clock in the evening, things start to slow down. 10:30 at night, we have a couple of lingering showers, and that's all we're dealing with at that point. You can see this nice onshore flow. These are going to be fast-moving winds, so count on there to be gusty conditions where we are going to expect to see rainfall totals. Another forecast coming your way. We're going to keep you informed on where this storm is tracking, let you know where we're seeing heavy downpours and maybe even some thunderstorms. Guys, over to you. Heavier downpours are still on the way. Right now, we're looking outside in Long Beach. The wind is blowing, and the wind is only going to increase. We're going to potentially get gusts that are hurricane force, isolated, though, at times for the desert communities. Right now, Long Beach, 56 degrees. We're looking at the winds about 12 miles per hour now. That could increase up to 25 miles per hour with 45-mile-per-hour gusts later today. Let's take a look at the rain, though. This is what it looks like on our live Mega Doppler 7000 HD. You can see an intense line of storms right through San Luis Obispo. We're looking at intense storms even further to Central California. But for us down in the Southland, we do have one little cell that is popping up, and we're seeing those reds and oranges and yellows coming through, which is an indication that we have some very heavy downpours right through the Victorville area. We also have a nice little downpour that's taking place along the coastal communities. A little bit of a break if you're heading into San Pedro, but more to come. And then if you are going to be heading a little further north into Mountain Washington, that's where we're seeing another little line of severe storms cruising along. So our live Mega Doppler 7000 making its sweep across the Southland, and we're going to get more rain, more intense rain as well, as we're seeing another cell right through Ventura County. So raining consistently from this point on into your evening. We'll keep you updated here in just a few minutes, guys.